I've come to Hairfree Hairgrow Clinic. After coming to Mumbai, I came upon the clinic by asking ChatGPT who were the best clinics for hair transplantation here, and here I am. Seeing the front of my hair that was done on day one. Now that I've got my cap off, you can see that the front of my hairline used to be way up, and now it's making me look 15 years younger. Hi, my name's Craig Richardson. I'm from Christchurch, New Zealand. I've come to Hairfree Hairgrow Clinic. After coming to Mumbai, I came upon the clinic by asking ChatGPT who were the best clinics for hair transplantation here, and here I am, getting something done with the balding that I've been noticing over the last 10 years. Dr. Nippon saw me yesterday, thought the consultation was very good, and I'm starting my procedures today at the Hairfree Hairgrow Clinic. I was wondering what to expect coming in here, and I've been given plenty of good medicines that have made me relaxed and made this whole experience pretty much pain-free, which has been great. When I go into the room, I have been laced down and having the follicles taken out, and then have a wee break, have some lunch while I've got a slightly sweaty face from the spices in my very lovely lunch. So it's been a very good experience. I was looking forward to coming in for day two because seeing the front of my hair that was done on day one. Now that I've got my cap off, you can see that the front of my hairline used to be way up above where the dark hairs have been implanted, and now it's making me look 15 years younger, maybe. In the front, and along the sides, and in this next session, moving on to the back, I'll get rid of my big bald patch that I've had for 20 years plus. And I'm about to go on for day two of my hair restoration. Day one went very well, and I'm happy with the results.